Hey guys, so I guess I'm gonna fool someone right now. Yeah, fooling, yeah. Come on, yeah. Why? I don't have anybody's online right now. Wait, do I? Since when? Okay. Okay, Fairview 100's on. Okay, let's see. Someone that just came here. Okay, hopefully. My den. Hopefully she'll come. Usually these people don't come. Do they? Do they? I guess she's not gonna come. Because usually people come as soon as I give them a jam ground. Dancer for my life. Oh, and by the way, I thought I should change my username into something like, I don't know, a Bepper fan or Julian 2 fan or something like that. What do you think? Please leave a comment below on what do you think I should do. Really, she's not coming. Okay, I don't want to make you guys bored, so I'm gonna make small talk this whole time. Okay, and also my voice is pretty weird. My voice doesn't sound like this in real life. She has a spike wristband, but not a spike collar. Oh, uh-oh. I'm in trouble. No, run away, run away, run away. Okay, instead of... Oh dear, I just trashed my best friend, guys. I am recording. Oh, yeah, she's at my den. Okay. Let's go. You know what? I think I just lost her. Oh, my den. I'm so crazy. Okay, this is... Hi. Okay. Ugh, I'm guessing she left. I hate it when people come and then see you and then they just leave for some odd reason. Okay, good. An alien from outer space. Ugh, I'm not typing anything. Guys could have told me. From outer... Ignore the jamograms. I am after your family. Okay, these kind of people, I knew it. I'm not gonna say her username or anything because I feel bad, because I feel so bad when he... Adder? I'm Adder, your family? Because you did your business in my toilet. That's right. Because you did your business in my toilet. My toilet. Okay, don't worry. That girl over there is Denosianasi, which usually makes the fools with duels. But I'm not doing that. Just to. So, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, she's pretty good at fooling. I'm not so good. It's my first time and she's helping me out. Ooh, can I help? Oh, dear. Yeah. You monster. Okay. You make me want a burger sneezer. Can I be the thing you are? What? I don't get people these days. You also destroyed my husband, Mrs. Lala Pants. Okay, that sounded wrong, but my microscope broke. Literally. No. My microphone, and now I can't fix it. Oh, okay, now I fixed it. You also destroyed my husband, Mrs. Lala Pants. Really? Okay, so not my best video. If you want me to say fools with duels now, I'll say that. You have now been on a fools with duels. Except I'm not duels. I'm not the duels. Eternal is. Ugh, really? I hate those kind of reactions. And what is she doing? What are they doing in Fools with Duels? Okay. I'm guessing we're going to get a lot of bad comments for this, aren't we? Come on, stop! Stop! I'm pausing you! Okay. The girl was EALISE. Add her. Hopefully, can you add her? Wonder. Okay. Never mind. Okie dokie. Ooh. Bye, guys. No bad comments, please. See ya next time. See ya next time when I actually make a good one. Don't worry. It just needs a lot of practice. This is just the beginning. Okay, bye.